Here I have Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and today I'm going to show you how to take a burst shot on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then switch to the normal capture mode, and here in this mode all you need to do is to just hold down shutter button, and after that the burst shot will start. So let's try it. So as you can see right now I took like 20 shots, and here you can review them all and select the one that fits you best. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.